Adventure is out there, so let us see where it takes us. Starting off the coast of Tasmania, deep-sea divers captured close-up footage of unexplored reefs for the very first time. The University of Tasmania's Marine Biodiversity Hub mapped out the 656-foot granite reef in 2011, but was never able to get an up-close view until now. What they found at the bottom was an ecosystem rich in diverse and complex marine wildlife. In Hawaii, the U.S. Geological Survey released stunning 4K video of lava spewing out of the Kilauea volcano, including a lava lake located at the summit. Kilauea is the most active volcano in Hawaii, erupting since 1983. It is a constant reminder that our planet is always changing as we speak. For more news and videos like this, go to videowall.accuweather.com.